See what I was talking about actually taking that hammer and massaging that sheetrock so it lays flat. You don't. Hey, when you're looking back at it, you're gonna have a little caulk line, and then a big. You with me? All right. You see where his nail that he's shooting on this side? We want to go into that jam, and the one on that side to tie into that 2x4. Okay.
Yeah. So now, tapping that box, loosening it up.
Scratch the paint off that door. My painters are gonna be pissed.
Try your best, call the rest. Oh, come on, man.
He said it. That gun's a pain, huh?
It is.
Hey, it already looks better. Push up in the middle and get you a nail into that jam.